Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going to have fun. I wanted to dedicate a stamping video to these acrylic stamping plates that have the layering images. So these are the 4 seasonal stamping plates from Acrylic Cosedora, the acrylic plates from Colombia, and the seasonal ones, the ones for spring, summer, fall, and winter, they have the layering images. And by that I mean these types of images like these, where they have multiple layers so that you can do a background in one color and maybe the outline in a different color. So this one is the summer one with the hibiscus flower. Then we have, this one is the spring with the butterfly here. The butterfly actually has 3 layers, and then the rose also has 3 layers. Then I have the fall. The fall has this cute little birdie here, 3 layers. And then the winter one has, actually this one has 4 layers with the little girl right there. And as you can see, I went ahead and stamped these on my stamping mat. I personally find it easier to stamp on a totally flat surface when it comes to trying to align the layers rather than doing them directly to my curved nails. It probably depends on the complexity of the layers, okay? So now I will go ahead and leave you with, I'm going to show you how I did this and the colors and stamping polishes that I use, and then I'm going to peel these out of here and place them on tips. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, so here are all the images, you guys. I think they turned out super, super cute. I went with a baby blue background, and this is all gel. This is after I've applied a gel top coat on all the tips and cured them. I love the little girl here. The gradient for her hair, it was actually an idea from Acha's design that she did herself, and I will go ahead and pop a picture of her design so you guys can see it. And she actually did that on her thumb. It's her hair in the wind right there. So if you guys have a favorite, let me know below. I'd like to see what you guys think. I thought I would do this for those of you that were one of the fortunates and got the stamping plates from me when I made them available. I hope you will find this helpful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.